Ancient Civilizations of Anatolia. Chapter 1. The Hittites, A Simple History for English Learners, A1. Where do the Hittites live? The Hittites live in Anatolia. Anatolia is in modern Turkey. Their capital city is Hattusa. Hattusa is a big city. Hattusa is in central Anatolia. Hattusa is a big and important city. This place is good for cities and farming. Hattusa is the capital city of the Hittites. It is big and strong. Many people live here. The city has large walls and gates to stop enemies. There are temples, houses, and royal buildings. The king lives in Hattusa, and it is the heart of the Hittite world. The Hittites have a powerful king. He rules the land and leads the army. But the king is not alone. The queen is also important and helps rule the country. Together, they make big decisions for their people. The Hittites build a strong empire. They have a large army and fight many battles. One of their greatest enemies is Egypt. Two powerful civilizations meet on the battlefield. The Hittites and the Egyptians fight in a great battle called the Battle of Kadesh. The war is long and difficult. In the end, neither side truly wins. So they decide to stop fighting and make peace. After the war, the Hittites and Egyptians write an agreement. This agreement becomes the first written peace treaty in history. It is a very important moment for the ancient world. Now it is your turn. Where do the Hittites live? What is capital of the Hittites? Thank you. See you in the next video.